12 urban survival gadgets actually worth buying. In the fast-paced urban jungle, survival isn't just about preparing for the unexpected. It's about staying ahead of it. Whether it's a power outage, a sudden storm, or just the need for efficient tools during your everyday adventures, the right gadgets can make all the difference. These urban survival gadgets are not just clever innovations. They're practical, reliable, and designed to keep you prepared for anything life throws your way. Thurms Pyro Vault. The Thurms Pyro Vault is the ultimate companion for anyone who values a reliable flame, no matter the conditions. This compact, waterproof housing is designed to protect your lighter from the harshest elements, ensuring it works perfectly when you need it most. Whether you're camping, hiking, or stuck in an unexpected urban power outage, this gadget is your go-to for staying lit. What makes the Pyro Vault truly exceptional is its rugged construction. It's crafted from high-strength materials that not only protect your lighter, but also make it virtually indestructible. The secure latch ensures it stays closed even during rough handling, while the ergonomic design makes it easy to open when you're in a hurry. Lightweight and pocket-sized, it's a must-have for any survival kit or everyday carry setup. AR6 Stinger II. The AR6 Stinger II redefines portable self-defense tools with its compact yet powerful design. This ultra-modern crossbow is small enough to carry discreetly yet packs enough punch to handle critical situations. Designed for accuracy and ease of use, it's perfect for urban explorers, survivalists, or anyone who wants a reliable tool for self-protection. What sets the AR6 Stinger II apart is its versatility. It comes with customizable bolts for different purposes, whether for defense or practice. The ergonomic grip and quick reloading system make it incredibly efficient in high-pressure situations. Beyond its practicality, it's also a marvel of engineering, offering a high-tech alternative to traditional self-defense gadgets. Burna 12 Gauge. The Burna 12 Gauge is not just a survival gadget. It's a peace of mind powerhouse. This non-lethal shotgun offers the perfect balance between safety and effectiveness, giving you a reliable way to defend yourself without causing permanent harm. It's ideal for urban dwellers who want a practical and responsible approach to personal protection. What makes the Burna stand out is its versatility. Designed to fire pepper rounds or kinetic projectiles, it offers multiple options for handling various situations. Its lightweight construction and ergonomic design ensure it's easy to handle, even for beginners. Whether you're navigating city streets or preparing for unexpected threats, the Burna 12 Gauge is a dependable choice for staying safe. Git X Go. The Git X Go is a portable multi-tool that's as versatile as it is durable. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, this gadget combines essential survival tools like a knife, screwdriver, and fire starter into one sleek design. Whether you're fixing a broken zipper, starting a campfire, or handling everyday repairs, the Git X Go is your all-in-one solution. Its rugged construction and high-quality materials ensure it can handle tough tasks without breaking a sweat. Designed for urban adventurers, it's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable tool that's always within reach. Its lightweight design and intuitive functionality make it an indispensable part of any urban survival kit. Jakari M. The Jakari M is a folding saw that turns the toughest cutting jobs into a breeze. Whether you're clearing debris, cutting wood for shelter, or handling landscaping tasks, this powerful tool gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Its compact size and foldable design make it easy to carry, while its sharp, durable blade ensures precision and speed. What sets the Jakari M apart is its ergonomic design, which minimizes strain even during prolonged use. It's perfect for urban and outdoor environments, offering a reliable cutting solution in emergencies or everyday situations. With its sturdy construction and versatile functionality, it's a must-have tool for anyone looking to be prepared for the unexpected. Oxx Coffeebox. For coffee lovers, the Oxx Coffeebox is nothing short of a lifesaver. This rugged, portable coffee maker is designed to brew the perfect cup in any environment, from construction sites to campgrounds. Built like a tank, it's dust-proof, waterproof, and impact-resistant, making it the ideal companion for urban survival or adventurous getaways. The Coffeebox isn't just durable, it's also incredibly efficient. It uses K-cups, so you can enjoy a wide variety of coffee flavors on the go. Its fast brewing time and large water reservoir ensure you're never far from your next caffeine fix. Compact yet powerful, this gadget is proof that great coffee doesn't have to be complicated, even in the most challenging conditions. VSSL Flask Plus Speaker. The VSSL Flask Plus speaker combines functionality and fun in a single compact design. This multi-tool features a high-quality flask for carrying your favorite beverage and a powerful Bluetooth speaker for playing your favorite tunes. Whether you're relaxing in a park or surviving a power outage, this gadget is the perfect way to keep spirits high. Crafted from durable materials, the VSSL Flask is built to last. Its sleek, minimalist design makes it easy to carry, while the integrated speaker delivers impressive sound quality. It's more than just a survival gadget. It's a lifestyle accessory that adds a touch of luxury to any adventure. Joulle Kettle. The Joulle Kettle is a portable battery-powered kettle that makes boiling water on the go incredibly convenient. Whether you're making tea during a power outage or preparing a hot meal while camping, this gadget ensures you always have access to boiling water. Its innovative design features a rapid heating system that brings water to a boil in minutes. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry in your bag or survival kit. The Joulle Kettle is perfect for urban survivalists who value convenience and efficiency, offering a reliable solution for staying hydrated and prepared. Messermeister Adventure Set. The Messermeister Adventure Set is the ultimate toolkit for food lovers on the go. This compact set includes high-quality knives and utensils designed for cooking in any environment, from urban kitchens to outdoor campsites. With its durable construction and ergonomic design, it's perfect for preparing meals in style, no matter where you are. What makes this set stand out is its versatility. Whether you're slicing, dicing, or chopping, the Messermeister tools handle every task with ease. Its portable case keeps everything organized and ready for use, making it a practical and stylish addition to any survival kit. Anymoka Hammock Stand. The Anymoka Hammock Stand is a portable relaxation station that lets you set up a hammock anywhere. Whether you're taking a break during an urban hike or creating a cozy spot in your backyard, this stand is designed for maximum comfort and ease of use. Its sturdy construction ensures it can support heavy loads, while its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. With the Anymoka Hammock Stand, you can enjoy a moment of tranquility wherever your adventures take you, making it an essential gadget for urban survivalists and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Typically made from durable materials like steel or aluminum, the stand is designed to be lightweight and easy to assemble, offering both strength and portability. Some models are adjustable to accommodate different hammock sizes, while others come with added features like weather-resistant coatings or carrying bags for easy transport. Wuben X2. The Wuben X2 is a compact, rechargeable flashlight that delivers an incredibly powerful beam. Perfect for emergencies, nighttime adventures, or everyday use, this gadget combines brightness with portability in a sleek design. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand harsh conditions, making it a reliable tool for any situation. What sets the Wuben X2 apart is its advanced features, including adjustable brightness levels and a long battery life. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, yet powerful enough to light up an entire room or pathway. This flashlight is a must-have for anyone who values preparedness and practicality. The Wuben X2 is small, making it easy to carry around in a pocket, backpack, or attached to a keychain. Despite its size, it delivers impressive brightness and features for its form factor. Altoids Tin. The humble Altoids Tin is a classic survival gadget that proves big things can come in small packages. This versatile container can be repurposed into a mini survival kit, holding essentials like matches, bandages, and small tools. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in your pocket or bag, ensuring you're always prepared for the unexpected. What makes the Altoids Tin so special is its endless customization possibilities. Whether you're creating a first aid kit, a fire starting kit, or a fishing kit, this little box can hold it all. It's a simple yet ingenious solution for staying organized and ready in any urban survival scenario. An Altoids Tin refers to the small metal container originally designed to hold Altoids mints. These tins are compact, rectangular boxes with a hinged lid, and they are typically made of thin steel with a printed design on the top. Though originally intended for mints, Altoids Tins have gained popularity as reusable containers for various purposes, especially in outdoor and survival contexts.